In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Revolut points. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Revolut points, known as Rev points, are points that you can accumulate by using Revolut. So by using your card, spending money in any currency, you will be given these points and you can redeem them into all sorts of things. This program should be available for most users. If you don't see the program available, when you go over to your account page and you look under loyalty rewards or you access the hub, this could be a limitation within your region. So maybe the program is not available for a specific region where you reside or your account. The best course of action would be to ask the customer support. Sadly, for this video, I cannot give you the answers on why it's not available for your particular account. But if you have the option, then select it from here. Once you choose Rev points, you will see the amount that you have available, the amount of points that you will be getting per dollar or euro spent, and then you can activate earnings and then of course spend. So you earn by using your card, doing challenges and getting boosts. And you can redeem them primarily on airline miles and stays. Of course, there might be additional rewards in the future when you are watching this video, but this is going to be the focus for redeeming these points. And all that you have to do is tap here and you will be able to browse through everything. So you have challenges to complete that will give you points. And of course, you can browse through the stays. So for example, when you tap on any of these, you will be able to transfer points to these airlines here. So you have accounts that you already connected, and once you connect your accounts, you can exchange the points easily. The process will be done on Revolut sides, so you don't have to worry. Just make sure that you sign into the proper account where you want to redeem the points. It's as simple as opening the loyalty program, seeing how many points you have earned, and then choosing the redeem option. There's no secret to this. If you don't see the feature available for you, as I've mentioned, it could be either a restriction with your account or the region in which you reside. Talk to the customer support to figure out if you can have the feature unlocked for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Revolut points. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.